subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Earlier today it was announced that the OnePlus watch will be launching in a new special variant. The news was shared by the company on its official Weibo account, a Chinese microblogging website, that also shared image poster teasing the upcoming limited edition. The new special Cobalt alloy edition of the OnePlus watch from the Chinese tech giant has just been teased online and is set to launch on 14th of May 2021. For those unaware, the smartwatch from the company that are currently on sale are made out of 316 liters stainless steel frame that have a round shape and aren't polished. Its display is a 1.39-inch AMOLED panel, with the watch having a thickness of 10.9 mm and weight of 76 grams. But now, the new limited edition of the watch will feature a sapphire glass cover but also will arrive with a 316 liters stainless steel as well as a cobalt alloy frame in the middle. Looking at the image posters, the round frame will sport a gold paint job over the standard versions and will also be paired with a leather and Flera rubber straps. Furthermore, the company will be shipping this special edition in a newly designed packaging box as well. Unfortunately, OnePlus has yet to announce any finer details regarding the upcoming new variant of the watch. But it is likely to sport specifications similar to the standard variant, which includes a STM32 processor, paired with 1 GB of RAM and 4 GB of internal storage. The device will offer up to 14 days of battery life and would also support features like blood oxygen detection, GPS positioning, and other such features. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.